Welcome to Thrive Smartly. Are you ready to transform your money habits using the power of mindfulness? In today's session, we'll use a simple guided meditation to shift spending from autopilot to intentional and grateful. First, let's settle in. Mindfulness is about being aware of every purchase, every urge, every dollar. For the next few minutes, just notice your thoughts on money without judgment. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel your body relax. Picture your financial stresses floating away. As you breathe, notice any feelings in your chest or stomach when you think about spending. No need to fix it, just observe. Now bring to mind something you've spent money on this week: a meal, a bill, a treat. Offer silent thanks for your ability to buy it, no matter how small. Repeat quietly, "I am grateful for the abundance I already have." Feel a sense of abundance growing with each breath, appreciating what's present instead of what's missing. Visualize your next spending decision. Before you act, pause. Ask, does this support my values and goals? If yes, move forward gratefully. If not, let it go without guilt. Each mindful choice is a vote for your best financial life. Repeat softly, I spend with intention, I save with gratitude, I am open to abundance. Carry this habit into your week. Pause, breathe, choose. Comment below, what one spending habit do you want to change or celebrate? Like and subscribe for more mindful money moves with Thrive Smartly.